Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of having unlimited wealth and success? Well, today is your lucky day because I'm about to reveal the ultimate blueprint for manifesting exactly that. The first key to manifesting unlimited wealth and success is to believe in yourself. Believe that you deserve everything you desire and that it is possible to achieve it. Next, visualize your success. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already living the life of your dreams. See yourself surrounded by wealth and abundance. This powerful visualization technique will align your thoughts with your desires. Now, take action. Dreams without action are just fantasies. You must take inspired action towards your goals. Start today, even if it's just a small step, and keep moving forward. Surround yourself with positive influences. Connect with like-minded individuals who are also on the path to success. Their energy and support will fuel your own drive and motivation. Additionally, practice gratitude. Be grateful for what you already have and feel the abundance flowing into your life. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the door to even more. Finally, stay persistent and never give up. There may be obstacles along the way, but with determination and unwavering belief, you will overcome them. Stay focused on your goals, and success will be inevitable. Thank you for watching this video on the secret to manifesting unlimited wealth and success.